Hi, I'm Michelle with Tupperware, and I'm going to show you how to make a cake in the microwave in 8 minutes. First, I'm going to show you how to mix a cake in Tupperware's Quick Chef Pro. It has other pieces, but today I'm just going to use the paddle piece to mix up the cake. What I do is I just follow your basic instructions for the cake on the back of the box. So, first I'm going to add the cake mix. Today I'm going to make yellow cake with chocolate icing. One of my favorites. Okay. Now I'm going to add my 1 cup of water. My 1/3 cup of oil. And my 3 eggs. Doesn't want to crack. Okay, so now we're going to mix all the ingredients together. Just push my hand here to hold it down, and I'm going to get it started by turning back and forth, and then I'm going to spin it. There's no more need for blenders or mixers. This mixes your cake mix so fast. It's pretty much mixed. I'm going to stir a little bit more just to be sure there's no air pockets. And I think we're good. What we're going to do is we're going to cook it in Tupperware's stack cooker. There's several pieces here. There's a cone, colander piece, and 2 casserole pieces. We're going to use the larger one today for the cake. Super easy. I don't think I've mixed a cake this fast before Tupperware. As you notice, I'm not greasing this. It doesn't need grease. Most of this. Okay. So now, here's the fun part. Before we cook it, I'm also going to put the icing in the cake mix and cook it all together. You want to get regular icing. Don't get whipped icing. We need the regular icing because it's dense and it's going to go straight to the bottom as it cooks, and that's what we want. There's no art to this. I just try to get it as much in the center of the cake mix as possible. When I first saw this, I couldn't believe that it cooked all together, but it does. So it's going to be 8 minutes in about a 1,000-watt microwave. If your microwave is more powerful, you want to shorten the time. But mine is 1,000 watts, so it takes 8 minutes. If you have about 1,100 or 1,200-watt microwave, I would suggest 7 minutes. And if you have like a 900-watt, I would suggest going closer to 9 or 10 minutes. Okay. I have most of it off. Just going to use this knife to get. Okay. So now, this is what it looks like. and we're gonna put it in the microwave for 8 minutes. So I'll see y'all in about 8 minutes. Okay, it's been 8 minutes and we're back. This is what the cake looks like. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it over, and all the icing that we put in there is going to settle at the bottom, so when I flip it, it's gonna make it like a lava cake. You wanna find something with a lip on it because the icing, when it comes over, you don't want it to overflow on a regular plate. So, oh, here we go. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that, how easy that was. Now you've iced, it's iced itself. Oh, now I'm getting icing on me. Now, here's the best part. To cut it and see that it's cooked all the way through. Oh, it's so good. Look at that. You can't even see where the icing was in the middle. I hope you can see this. Well, now you know how to make a cake in 8 minutes in the microwave with Tupperware stack cooker. Enjoy!